For tea tonight, as I said, I'm making stew stroke casserole. I've got a load of vegetables with us, and I have been noticing the last week or so there is an awful lot of pigeons knocking about. So I have brought slingshot. I'm going to go for a little sulk about, little wander, see if I can get myself a couple of pigeons for my casserole. Because if I don't get the pigeons, it's going to be a vegetable casserole, put it that way. I'm going to strap, oh, did you see my little camera? I've got that with us. I'm going to strap it on my chest. You can come along with us, because I ain't carrying this big thing with us. And we'll see if we can get a couple of pigeons for my tea. Right, so, where's it go? Ah, up my arse. I brought slingshot with us. Little stainless steel one, small nippy. Rubber's doubled over, so even though it's small, it's nice and powerful. And what I use with these is there you go. See that? 8mm ball bearings. That's more than enough, in my opinion, to knock a squirrel or knock a pigeon out of a tree. So I'll knock the big camera off. We'll be very quiet. See if we can get ourselves some pigeons for tea. Hope you enjoy. Three pigeons for tea. Hello everybody. Sorry, bad taste. All done with a slingshot and a bag of shot. So I'm going to get these prepped, get the fire on and start cooking. Like I say, I'm making a stew cum casserole, so the longer it cooks, the tastier it'll be. So, pigeon. Easiest pie to pluck. Just start pulling the feathers out. Grab handfuls and just pull. You can pluck them all the way, and in the end they look like chicken. But in all fairness, it's not really worth it. Because the only meat was what's worth having on a pigeon really is the breast. Basically it's that bit there, so I'm going to do that to all three and then we'll get back to you. So the bit I'm interested in is just this bit here. The rest's pretty much bone in all fairness. Just get yourself a sharp knife. I'm using the Mora companion. There's a breastbone there. Just cut down the breastbone. There you are, from animal to meat. That's it. Do apologise if this is a bit gross. But it's an educational video, I'm afraid. Right, so I'm going to get on with the other two. I'll get back to you after that. There you go, all the pigeon breast, ready for cooking and eating. Like I say, I do apologise if it offends some people, but in all fairness, we've been doing it for millions of years. I'm going to dice it up, get it cooked. Did you hear the pigeon? That one escaped. Right, pigeon done. Little baggie here. Garlic and onions. Get that in. This is turning into a cookery show. Generous knob of butter. And we'll get that on the fire. I tell you what, it looks lovely, it sounds lovely, and it smells bloody lovely. There you go. Onions, garlic and breast fried off. See that? Just add some salt. Bit of pepper. Mushrooms, peppers, celery. Look at that tea. Full to the gunnels. Right, secret ingredient. Nice glug. Nice glug. Lid on. Time for cooking. So that's tea cooking. We've got nice hot embers underneath the pan. A nice hot fire on the other side there. When the embers start to die down, I can shuffle them across with a stick and keep the temperature just about right. We'll give that an hour or so, it'll be bloody lovely. And finally, people, tea is served. Look at that. I tell you what, I wish I brought a nice bit of crusty bread with us as well to dip in there. Right, I'm going to get myself parked up, get this down my neck and enjoy. You don't want to sit here watching us, so I'll catch us later.